At AVK, expectations define everything we do. They shape our uncompromising approach to quality in every step of the process, and they inspire us to see new opportunities everywhere. For more than 40 years, we have driven ourselves to push the boundaries of what our customers can expect. And over the decades, we've learned that you need to expect at least one thing: consistent high quality. To meet the ever-increasing demand for durability and efficiency, you don't just need a world-leading supplier, you need a dedicated and reliable partner, with passionate and skilled workers, and with full control of the supply chain, from raw materials to finished product. In our factories, all our products undergo careful surface treatment and rigorous testing to ensure maximum durability and to make certain they can withstand even the harshest environments. And by using state-of-the-art technologies that excel in precision, we make sure that our products are designed to deliver the highest level of quality and performance. Our in-house manufacturing units develop and manufacture our market-leading rubber compounds, which have worldwide approvals for drinking water, gas, and many other applications. And we handle the entire coating process that is certified and controlled by GSK. And with our own test and training facilities, we're in full control from start to finish, with meticulous attention to quality control, traceability, and the pressure testing of every single valve before it leaves our factory. AVK products are sold across all continents, and our modern distribution center enables us to offer a superior delivery service. AVK's global presence allows us to combine the portfolio and know-how of a global leader with the flexibility to offer tailor-made solutions that match local needs. So, what should you expect from AVK? The answer is quite simple. Consistent high quality that gives savings in the long run. And the ability to always go beyond what the market expects.